Hi everyone, hope all doing great in life. Let's start sauteing or stir-frying egg, salt, herbs, or spices with all the ingredients one by one in less oil. Make sure to keep flame low. Stir so that it will not get burnt. Mix well with idli rice and your dal batter. Watch video till the end to get the best recipe. Like, subscribe, and share. Stay in tune for other recipe.